As trends in our generation continuously change, one makeup look that seems to stay in trend is the soft glam makeup look / the Insta baddie makeup look. When you type these terms online, you'll be presented with thousands and thousands of different makeup tutorials inspired by this look. In this video, I am going to be exploring the soft glam makeup look and helping you build your perfect soft glam makeup look if that's what you are interested in, or if you just want to see loads of aesthetic makeup looks, then this is the video for you. So first things first, a soft glam makeup look will look different on everyone, and there's no perfect way of achieving this look. It really does come down to using the right products that will suit your facial features and make you look good. Therefore, you'll probably need to trial and error different soft glam makeup tutorials online to get the best one for you. Now, if we go a little bit deeper, I think the soft glam makeup look consists of 3 basic elements. First, eyebrows. The eyebrows typically tend to be lightly filled in and naturally shaped. Then for the base, which is obviously the skin, the soft glam makeup look usually has a flawless skin finish. It doesn't really matter whether the foundation is dewy or matte. All that matters is that it's blended in well with your natural skin. Basically, the foundation needs to look like it's your skin. Okay, I've seen so many soft glam makeup looks where I can't even tell whether the person is literally wearing foundation or not. Like it just looks dead natural. What I've also noticed is there is a lighter under eye concealer look, which helps to brighten the face, as well as a suitable blush color on your skin tone. So there is a pop of color on the cheeks. I see usually like a pinkish yet like orangey shade, which I think works perfect on brown and dark skin shades. Of course, what is a soft glam look without lashes? There is none. So lashes are really important for a soft glam look. They don't have to be long, but what I will say, they do have to be fluffy, because I feel like that's what kind of completes the look. So you could have short fluffy lashes, or you could have long fluffy lashes. It really just depends on your preference. Just make sure they're fluffy, girl. And last but most definitely not least is lips. So the soft glam look usually has a brown lip line around the outer area of the lip, and in the middle center there is a light pink / nude glossy finish. I do feel like right now currently there is more of a glossy finish rather than matte, but you can still do matte, like a matte lipstick, if that's what you prefer. So that's obviously the basic components, but you can also add extras such as eyeshadow, highlighter, contour, etc. As you see through the pictures and video tutorials, some girls tend to wear eyeshadow as well, which is completely fine. It looks very good with eyeshadow, but when I do my soft glam makeup look, I tend not to wear eyeshadow just because I'm a bit lazy and it's just extra work. Unless I'm going out. If I'm going to an occasion, then sure, bet I will wear eyeshadow. So through consuming various different content, I myself have been able to create the perfect soft glam makeup look that works for me. My personal focus is usually nice fluffy lashes, a clean soft foundation base, and the perfect lip combo which works for my skin tone. Now I'm going to be sharing some product recommendations. These are some of my personal favorite products that I use on a regular basis to achieve my ideal soft glam makeup look. I'm sure there's so many other products out there, but I'm going to be sharing the ones that I personally use and I can vouch for because I use them on a regular basis on a day-to-day whenever I wear makeup. Best believe these are the products that I'm using. So first things first is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and my shade is in, I can't pronounce this, is it Iguacu? It's spelled IGAUACU. This foundation blends seamlessly into my skin and provides the perfect dewy finish, which I love. For concealer, I like to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Warm Sand to create that light under eye effect. Now sometimes this concealer can be a bit too light, so I will mix it with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. That also blends in really nicely with the Too Faced concealer and gives the perfect look. For eyebrows, my ride or die product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in dark brown. This works perfectly with my brows and provides a light soft effect, which I think is essential if you are trying to achieve the soft glam makeup look. For setting powder, I use the Laura Mercier loose powder in medium deep. I do this to do the baking method. I don't know if that's still on trend, but I still bake my face and it provides a really nice finish. For lashes, I get my lashes from Alibaba because I have my own cosmetic business called Sheer Makeup. It's currently rebranding, but that's where I get my lashes from, and then I sell those lashes on Sheer Makeup. So I literally just wear Sheer Makeup lashes per. As for blush, I always use the Sleek Blush by Free. This is my go-to palette. It's in Pink Lemonade. They have the perfect shade combination for black women. For my lip combination, I use a standard brown lip liner and then use the NYX lip gloss butter in the shade Madeline. And then on top, I like to use the Sheer Makeup lip gloss in Chanel Rose. So these are just the basic products when I want to create a quick yet effective soft glam makeup look. There are obviously other products out there that I use as well, but if I'm trying to go for something quick, these are the products I always use. Alright guys, that is it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope this has been helpful and it will help you to build the perfect soft glam makeup look for you. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.